So the Fed didn't cut rates, boys. Now I'm not sure how the market reacted, but we did had a massive move down, but I didn't long because I was waiting for a tap of the previous week low. I wanted this liquidity to get taken out, but looks like we bounced around the 786 level, which was nice, but I am not long, and I still think Bitcoin could push up and go higher and finally fix the poor lows around this level around 121 120 and $800, 120K and $800 around this level, and we also have poor low around the previous week high. So um also I didn't long because I was waiting for like a massive sell off that would finally fill the CME gap around this level, but we didn't reach that. So I missed the long, and I was kind of tilted yesterday because I got chopped so bad around here. I was trying to short. I was trying to short around here, and I just kept getting uh stopped out by this wick. So lesson in there: do not trade before FOMC or during news. You gotta wait for the conference to start so that you could catch the real move. And if I just waited for a couple of hours, be patient and manage my risk, I would have caught both of the moves. But yeah, I was very impatient yesterday. So lesson in there, boys. Lesson. All right. So right now, nothing much to say about Bitcoin. I am just waiting for this monthly close. I'm gonna be patient how this is gonna close, and want to see how August opens. Probably in the coming days, and one because weekly uh, this weekly looks really nice and it looks really bullish right now. This could just go up next week on August, and then finally go to 125K or 130K. But for now, we're just stuck on this range. And my advice is don't try to trade around here. Always wait for a break, either of this, you know, low CME gap or a proper breakout trade all the way to 130K. All right, so not much to say here. And if we pull the fib, we're just ranging, boys. Like we're stuck on this level and it doesn't want to go right now, but it's getting tight and getting tight, and there's probably gonna be a big move coming pretty soon. Looking at the altcoins right now, um, everyone's still ranging as well. They did bounce pretty nicely. Solana bounced at my box. I didn't long as well because I went to sleep already, and uh, Ethereum is still stuck too. Ethereum hasn't uh, broken out above the $4,000. So as long as you know we're still stuck here, I think we're not gonna have a mini alt season. The moment that we do break above $4,100, I think that's the moment when altcoins could finally break out and pump, because right now it's just ranging up here. But it's nice to see that Ethereum is just ranging above this level, because people are not selling, people are holding, and they're probably waiting for the big breakout, because Ethereum's been on is waiting for a multi-year breakout. If we check, hold on, Ethereum. Yeah, so Ethereum is waiting for this multi-year breakout, in the on this whole big ass range right now. So yeah, let's check if we only include here. Yeah, so most of the volume around this area, and we're chopping on this area as well. But the moment we break above that, and it's probably gonna go to like 6K or 7K or 10K. All right, not much to say, boys. The Feds didn't cut rates, and then Trump said that he heard Powell that is gonna cut rates on September, but then Powell said on the conference that we're not gonna there's not we're they're not gonna cut rates on September as well. So I don't know now how's August gonna go, but um from the previous years, August is usually bearish, but you know this month might change, so we just have to be patient and wait for our levels. Also, there was like a news right now that SEC is launching a project crypto to make America crypto capital of the world. That's insane. SEC launches a project crypto. The SEC that was like banning crypto projects left and right in last couple of years, and now they're launching a project crypto. And SEC Chair Paul Atkins says his key priority is to establish clear regulatory framework for crypto. Now that is very very bullish. So in the grand scheme of things, I think Bitcoin, looking at the daily, the weekly, we're still above this range, but it's just so hard to trade right now that it's just up here. So you just have to be patient, wait for your levels, and it's getting tighter. So there's gonna be a massive move pretty soon. So that is it for this video, boys. Um, I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe, and we don't really know how August is gonna go, but hopefully we don't get like a massive sell off. Like, I think if we do get a massive sell off, we might actually come down to the golden pocket, which is also the previous all time high, which would propel us all the way to 130K. So you gotta watch out for these levels right here, and this might be the slingshot for the ultimate pump and biggest blow off top this year. So that is it for this video, boys. I will give you guys an update probably starting next week. I want to wait for how the 1st of August, 2nd of August, 3rd of August to like the price action so that we get a better setups. So thank you, boys, for watching. Please subscribe. Links for some exchanges, no KYC, $100 sign up bonus, Coinflare. Links will all be down on my description. So thank you, and bye bye.